big cat, Lena.
That's a
If you're
kangaroo.
not looking down, I think you see the photo of that, no?
Yeah. Then I'll see. I was
Talaga yung
right.
paraan na makita namin kung sino yung, makilala namin kung sino talaga yung gumawa ng nagbutas na. Chika, it's my day off. I was long day yesterday at work. My goodness, what a day yesterday. Papakainin ko lang yung mga bata. What a long day for me at work, and then disaster naman sa day ni Mr. Not yet. Next week. Alina was doing her nails last night. It is pretty.
Stop.
Pink, and she got purple dot. That's pretty. I like it.
I'll put milk on this. This is the trick. So you put milk first, and then you put the cereal in.
Okay, you put that in there. Pour it, because Alisa didn't like that. She wants,
Please.
okay, that's yours.
Oh, is it? That's what.
Now you have the one, because Alisa, she gonna have the puppy.
Alright.
Alisa! Come here, please. Pagigising, hindi naman pagigising, siguro mga, 30 minutes din. Simula, nagising ako. Nagising ako kanina, pero nagtulog ulit ako. 9:20. Maybe 30 minutes na din. Gising. Not bad. Need a good sleep.
Ranos. Smell glass.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah?
Did you?
Yeah.
I have that toothbrush there already. Where are we?
A bus. Dizzy bus. Now it's on.
Electric. Busy bus.
We might get locked. We're trapped. Like in electric cars. They don't get.
You didn't like to put your hair down?
Oh. Now I want to cover my short hair. That's why. So I go on there.
Okay, we go in there. Look at our view. Something different for our vlog today, mga kachika.
I went
Let's
there
go. Can we?
You went here before?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love this one. You want to take a picture for a school trip?
That's what I said to you.
Oh, look
Okay.
at oh, boat!
Mm.
That's a speedboat.
No, you hold your bag. I got so much in my hands. Hold that one.
Sorry. Oh, okay.
It's nice. That one being busy.
go to the water.
I have so much stuff now in in my hands to look after. So.
Okay.
We're here. It's nice here.
It's so nice here.
Mm.
You can pick some rocks.
So calm today, no? It's nice.
Yeah.
So many dogs on the beach.
We can go that side.
Yeah.
Oh, not that side. Yeah, we can go somewhere. We can.
Can't remember kung kailan kami before. Pero pangalawang sakay ko na dyan. Yung unang sakay ko dyan is, unang punta ko dito sa UK. Pregnant ako kay Alina ng, I think, ito. Oh. It's a big cat, Lena.
That's okay.
You're not looking down. I don't know where you look. Let me see. Oh, that's hurt.
That's okay, Nina.
You okay? That hurts. That. Look, lapsin ko. Come. Check it. So, gusto daw nila maglaro sa tubig sana. Sabi ko, lamig man yan. Run! Hmm? We going now?
Yeah, let's go.
So, tingnan nyo, may nakita kami mga katsika. Di ko alam kung ano yan. Okay, let's go walk. You take that one. Let's go na.
Yeah, come on.
Nakita lang namin, oh.
Huh? Can I see? So tiny.
You got tiny one more?
Yeah, I have tiny one. It's so tiny. We found loads of G's.
That's sure. Hindi naman siya, hindi din siya plastic. Hindi din glass. So, ganito lang talaga siya.
Right,
I-keep
let's
namin.
go.
So, we're gonna keep this one. Let's go. Tara na.
Let's go now.
Diyan, natumba. Alina.
Should we just take around Ma?
Yeah, this is... Kasi marami yung pa mga aso until
No,
1st
not
of
now.
May.
Some people go.
No, it's not. It's 1st of May. But now it's still okay.
It's
Or
the
they
first of
come
May.
beach.
It's the first of
May.
April. It's April, not May.
Yeah, but that's why there's still dogs around.
So
It's
in
because it's
May.
not May yet. It's still April.
The first of May, there were no dogs in here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well,
Mama.
No, all be going to be owned by four.
Let's get something to eat. Here's your ice cream, fish and chips.
yeah. Fish and chips. You want fish and chips?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I don't know.
No?
There's below the pass.
That's what you're having? And the ice cream. At least I taken that one. Sobra ni Alisa, hindi na ayaw na ubusin. Kainin ko, kaya sayang. Mahal pa naman ito.
Can I try?
Antay mga kachika, mga gutom man itong mga bata ko eh. Pinakain ko sana ito ng soup bago kami umalis.
Sweet
Gutom na
sandwich,
naman.
Lisa.
That's it.
I like that.
Oh, why nobody's touching the chip? Lisa. Lisa. Lisa.
There's happy fries.
So,
We're gonna go back to ballet next on my name Friday. Okay. Share. Oh, remember that. I remember that.
I think you see the photo of that, no?
Yeah. Then I'll see. I was right there. Daddy was
Doon kami kanina galing sa baba.
down there.
Hindi naman pala, ano. Pag summertime, ang daming mag-ano dito nagpipiknik. Yeah. Oh, the one who went down. That's it.
Hi, Thomas.
Tingnan nyo, mga kagtsikaw, doon yung bahay na malapit na talaga siya. Oh. Dahan-dahan na siyang, unti-unti na siyang na, ano, na, yung ba, yung, nagla-landslide na siya. Ayan. Sayang, malaki pa naman yung mga bahay dyan area. Maganda. Kaso hindi maganda yung spot kung saan sila. Oh. May napanood ako sa news na dito din yung banda sa UK, ganyan din yung nangyari. Tapos wala katagalan na ano lang talaga. Yung bahay na ano na siya, nadala na siya ng landslide. Na talagang nagawa. Sayang lang yung pera nila kasi hindi niya mabibenta. Dahil maliban na lang yata kung naka-insured. Pero still.
Hello down there. Hi.
Ay, malolobat pa yung phone ko. Pero at least alam ko na kung anong oras anong tawag dyan. Bless you. Dadaan o parating yung bus ba kung saan kami sasakay ng bus. Don't grab my arms big. I'm trying to
I love the
take a
smell
nice
from it. I
video.
like the smell of it.
No. Oh.
Love the smell too. How about the
I think just yellow and
Yeah.
Lisa, wait. Theater.
Right away.
Bank holiday kasi ngayon kaya every 1 hour yung pagitan ng bus. Parang same ba ng schedule if Sunday. Every 1 hour.
Flowers. I'm in love with flowers. Love the smell.
There's a sing on that.
Oh,
There's
singing
a-
something.
Old song.
What is it called?
Forgot. Ting.
Huh? I'll sing it. I remember this
Oh,
place.
oh.
What is it called? I forgot.
I can't remember as well.
I think it's called Ring. I think. What is it called?
Get off B. Ang clam off B.
Old song. Oh look, I'm standing.
Sometimes I don't. Might be a bit burnt. I don't know. Check it out, Mother. It's alright.
It's okay.
What?
It's okay. Lisa, Lina. Dali, can you keep that one? Okay, they playing with that.
What?
Your thing for your robe.
Yeah, you shouldn't have things like that.
Kasi di ba kahapon nga sabi ko sa inyo na nasa work ako kahapon, long day ako kahapon. Then yun, si Mr. naghatid sa mga bata sa school. Siya din nag-pick up. So in the morning mga kachika, paghatid daw niya sa mga paglabas nila ng bahay, dyan sa may labas ng bahay, napansin niya na yung dalawang gulong na sasakyan mga kachika na flat, as in totally flat talaga kasi mga kachika yung kinat talaga na as in cut talaga. Napansin daw ni Mr. Tapos yun, wala pa din nakita niya na ganun nga, pero hindi lang muna siya talaga kasi kailangan niya din ihatid yung mga bata sa school. At tapos yun nga, pagkabalik niya, tinignan na yun nga, may hiwa daw na malalaki. Yung dalawa pa talaga, hindi lang isa, dalawa. Na din namin na-report niya sa police, tapos na-report niya din doon sa yung insurance ng sasakyan. Hapon lang din, pumili din siya ng ganito mga kachika, kamera, yung CCTV ba? kanyan. Kaso kay tirinay namin to dito kagabi, hindi siya, medyo ano siya, hindi maganda yung kuha niya. Nagre-reflect siya sa anong tawag yan, sa salamin ng window. Hindi siya maganda pag ma-reflect siya doon sa salamin. Kaya bibili siya ng bago. Mumurahin lang din kasi to. Pero gumana siya mga kachika, maganda lang. Pero yun nga, hindi lang talaga siya klaro dahil nga mumurahin lang ba. So I think bibili daw siya ng bago. Ito-try niya daw kung pwede daw to isauli. Tapos bibili siya ng mas mahal-mahal na ganito. Maganda. Siguro okay lang to pag nasa labas ng bahay siya. Pero ano lang kasi to parang hindi siya kinakabit, yung pinapatong mo lang siya. Parang ganito lang siya. Tapos mumurahin lang to. 24 pounds na yung bili niya. Sabi ko mag-bake ka ng mga, meron kasi ako nakita ng mga 74, 100 pataas. So siguro mas maganda yun. Kaya na lang yung gagawin namin mga kachika. As in, grabe talaga. Kahapon parang naawa ako sa stress ni Mr. Na-stress pa siya kasi nga yung sasakyan. Tapos na-stress pa siya kasi di ba nung isang gabi, yung sa isa kong vlog na yung nag-ready ako ng report ni Alisa. Tapos yung carrots, magdadala siya ng carrots. So naghanap siya ng carrots. Hindi niya alam na, hindi nila nakita nandoon na sa backpack, sa side ng pocket ng backpack ni Alisa. Tapos nag-message na siya sa akin na ganito, ganyan daw. Sana daw yung carrots, hindi niya daw mahanap. Tapos naghanap din siya ng bonnet hat ng mga bata kasi daw malamig. As in, talaga, na-imagine ko yung stress niya. Sabi niya na sa akin kagabi, you're gonna kill me. Sabi ko ba, bakit mo ba ini-stress yung sarili mo pag maganyan? Pwede naman kung malamig, pwede naman itaas yung hood ng mga bata ng coat nila. Ganun. Tapos naghahanap daw siya ng carrots. Sabi niya, you're gonna kill me, Jenny. You're gonna kill me. Ganun yung sabi niya. Tapos parang hindi na lang din ako nag-unong kasi alam ko yung stress ba niya na Tapos nakita niya pa yung sasakyan niya. Pagka umaga, na-stress na siya sa yung kakahanap ng carrots, kakahanap ng hat ng mga bata. Tapos paglabas pa niya ng bahay, yun pa yung nakita niya na yung sasakyan na flat na, dalawa pa yung gulong talaga na flinat. Tapos, na-imagine ko lang ba yung stress niya din kahapon talaga ba? As in, mga kachika, natutulog na ako kay pasok na ako bukas. Thank you for watching mga kachika. Ingat kayo, ingat tayong lahat. God bless us all.